Okay, so today I'm going to try and repair the waste ball seal in our Thetford toilet. So before I replace it, I'm going to try to repair it. So basically the toilet is not holding water. It's leaking through because the seal I can see is not on there properly. So before I replace it, I'm going to just take the toilet off, which is what you have to do in order to get to that seal. I'm going to try to just clean it up a little bit, put some like plumber's lube on it, whatever you call it, and see if that fixes the problem. So let's get to this and see. First thing that I did was turn off the water, but now I'm going to just flush the toilet a couple times just to get all the water out of the line, so that way we don't have water spraying everywhere. So after about 15-20 minutes of just trying to get these two bolts out, because of the way the toilet is installed, it's almost impossible to get to them. So now I'm out of breath, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, now I'm irritated, but now the toilet is coming off. So you basically just kind of twist the toilet a little bit. So all we're gonna do is like twist it this way and it should pop right off. At least that's what the video I watched told me. It came off pretty easily. It just twists right off. And as you can see, this seal is pretty dirty. And the part that keeps having issues is, sorry for the bad lighting now, is this part right here. So we're gonna go ahead, clean that out, and hopefully it fixes the issue. We'll see. All right, so we cleaned that seal off. We put some plumber's grease around it. So seal is clean, some plumber's grease in there. I tried to twist it and put the part that wasn't working too great on the other side to see if it's still an issue. Fingers crossed, so that way we don't have to do this all over again. So we're gonna put the toilet seat back on, twist it back into place, and spend about an hour putting those two screws back in. So we'll see the finished product. Hopefully it works. So to put the screws, bolts back in, instead of using the 10mm socket, I'm going with the mini screwdriver this time to see if it works any better than that fiasco. That was a pain. Again, screwdriver didn't work. So with another 15-20 minutes trying to get those things back in there. I hate the way these toilets are in here. So I tested it. It's holding water for now, but we'll give it a day or two of actual use. And we'll see. This is the kids' toilet, so I'm sure it's not treated very well, but we'll see how it goes. If not, then I'll just be ordering a replacement seal, maybe even the ball. And if I have to do that all over again, I really don't feel like it. So that's what I did today in Vlogmas day 17. Had to check the phone because I don't even know what number day we're on here. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more fun things that we did during Vlogmas, go watch this video right here. Click this button right here to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.